Whoa.
See that barn? No roof.
Oh my God.
Gone. All those trees. It's like they took that tree, they took the chainsaw, the rest of it.
Good Lord.
Yes. Utility pole, no power.
Oh my God.
Trash can, what's what left of it.
Wow.
Look at those new houses.
Whoa.
Took that tree right out.
That tornado was pretty powerful.
Yeah, it was. Can you imagine us on a school bus hitting it? That's all I'm sitting there being.
What the? I never seen anything like that.
They're on the left. Look at that house. Demolished.
Well, they're probably in.
Next house to it. Demolished.
Well, look on the bright side.
Tree,
They have insurance, so that's good.
Look at that air compressor just laying on its side. There's a house right there. It just.
Oh my goodness.
See that brick home right there?
Yeah. They had a lady that lived in that little
See
house.
it? No roof. It's totally wiped out.
Oh my.
This happened yesterday.
Yeah, they had a lady that Joyce knows that lives there, I think. Either here or there. I think it's here.
A tornado touched down in here and just make a little touchdown, and what his truck, ripped his whole hood off.
Goodness gracious.
Took a tree, uprooted it. Took his roof off.
Man.
This is quite a path the tornado went through.
Wow. Well,
It's weird, that house right there kind of like unscathed in a way. The big house.
Oh my God.
Look at this house right here, no roof.
How did that house survive and that house is
that
just
weird?
gutted?
I know it's that tornado, it's a weird.
Oh my God.
Man.
They're using the school right here as a relief
For them too, yeah.
for all the neighbors.
But that's good.
See, look at that tree.
Goodness. Clean that up.
I do want
You asshole, I'll run over somebody.
just doing a little video. Dang, I see something back there. Wow.
Tornado's pretty rough. Well, of course, we have windy conditions has to be too.
That was a tornado.
Yeah,
Is that it?
No, yeah, that's it. Ain't that enough?
Okay, I'm just making sure.
I just happened to come down this way.